Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I want to show you juice extractor 600 watts from Bagotte. So this is a quite small juicer, I would say, and in today's video I'm going to show you its functionality, how it works, how to clean, and my overall thoughts. So the juicer comes with the instruction manual right here. Yep. It does come with this 350 ml container for the juicer, the motor and the base, and as well it does come with the pulp, the container for the pulp right here. So in order to assemble the juicer, we have these two clamps right here. Yeah, just remove the top part, this one with the sieve right here, and this is the juicer disassembled. So in order to assemble it, just on the base put this part right here, the sieve, rotate it until it gets into its place. After that we are putting the chute part and closing with these two clamps, just like this. Now we are putting the container for the pulp, and as well here the container for the juice. So the juicer also comes with this cleaning brush and as well with an adapter right here for the juice, which you can put right and not to have any spillage. Now for the functionality wise, the juicer is quite small and minimalistic, so it can fit in any kitchen, and it has as well two speeds. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So let's see what type of juice this juicer can make. So I'm going to put on speed 1 and start juicing. So from 2 apples and 1 orange, I have about 400 ml of juice. It's right here, and I want to say that the juicer did a very good job. So doesn't have too much of the pulp inside. Just if you can see right here, it's just a little bit of pulp, and here we have like about 400 ml of the juice. Now my overall thoughts, it's I would recommend it to buy it, and let's try the juice.